So if you open your source folder, and then there's a package called web scraping. If you open that, you'll see a bunch of modules, and really a lot of these are repetitious. So we're only going to look at 2 modules. You can look at the others later if you'd like. They're more or less doing similar things to what I'll be showing you today. Basically, the 2 main kinds of functions we'll be doing is a scraping process that retrieves a bunch of links that have references to images. These are images of specific data files. And then we also will look at the actual images, that is, scrape the images from the sites once we've obtained those references. So if we go ahead and open Get Links, you'll see this is a module that basically, as it says here in the comments, it gets links to, or from, really I should say, from the website from PAS. So it goes to the PAS website, the Portable Antiquities Scheme, and gets specific images from that website, or links to specific images, I should say. So how do we know this? Well, if we go ahead and look through the code, you'll see that what we're going to be doing is outputting the file to a CSV file. So we'll do the usual kind of pathway references. The file that we output is going to be called links.cv, CSV, I should say, and it will have a field name. That is the field name for the CSV file with links. So links will be the title of one of the columns, or the only title really for the columns of the outputs. You'll write the CSV file out, and then basically as you iterate through a range of numbers, you will then retrieve a number of images from that. Okay, so you'll see that there's a base URL which is given as a string, and then it has a string for subsequent URLs to other images. And then you can see the URL once it's actually created in this for loop. It will go to Beautiful Soup. So Beautiful Soup is created there. And all you have to do is basically use this URL lib2 tool, which allows you to open a URL connection to an HTML site. Once you've opened that connection, then basically you can search an HTML page to find specific HTML tags, which you can then retrieve the data from. That's what that links equals soup find all command is doing. And then from there, you retrieve all those links and basically iterate through them. So you can actually test this by going to the page that's referenced as the base URL. So if we copy that link, go to, let's say, a page that's referenced, so I can go ahead and do that, the finds page, we should see a base page. And you can see in this base page, there are a bunch of images and objects that you can download from there. And how do we actually know what's there? You can look at the source of the page to see what's actually there. So somewhere in your browser, you should be able to view source, and that'll allow you to then see the specific names of the tags that allow you to download the pictures. So we'll do that